Hello and welcome to this video on determining the equation of a straight line given the gradient and a point. Let's try it out. So find the equation of the line for which the gradient and 1 point are given. So let's start with this one on the left, and then maybe you want to have a go at the one on the right together. So equation of the line, immediately write down y equals mx plus c. You should be given these things on your formula sheet to guide you. So that's all right. So equation of line is that of that form. And now whenever you're given a point, immediately write down x, y underneath. That is very helpful. They don't give you information for no reason. All right, so we have an x value and we have a y value. So now let's substitute this in. We have a y value of 8. I'm going to substitute that on the left. M value of 3. And x value of 1. Can you see that? X is 1, y is 8. And then if we have c, we've only got one unknown. So we can solve for c. So let's simplify a little bit first. 8 equals 3 plus c. And then we are going to take away 3 from both sides. 8 take 3 to leave c on its own. So 8 take 3 is 5. 3 take 3 is 0, which in other words cancels. And we're left with c on this side. I'm going to put a box around it because I need it. And we're also given m. So now we can write the equation of the line, because all we need to write an equation of a line is m and c. And we leave x and y in there. So I'm just going to substitute them back. And I'll just write it for now again. Y equals mx plus c. Y equals 3x plus c, which is 5. And we're done. Writing an equation of the line, you leave y and x in. Okay, let's try this one together. So equation of a line has the general form y equals mx plus c. We know we need to find m and c. And if I look at the information given in the question, I have m, which is great, and I have a point that I can label straight away as giving me information x and y. So now let's substitute in these 3 bits of information. So y is -5. Let's substitute that in. M is -2. X is 2. And plus c. Let's simplify a bit on both sides. -2 times 2 is -4. And we can actually, solve for c. So I'm going to get c alone and add 4 to both sides. -5 plus 4 gets us to -1. Those will cancel. And we're left with c as -1. But we are not done, because we need to write the equation of the line. So let's do it. Y equals mx plus c. We leave y and x in the equation. M is given in the question. M is -2. And c is -1. That's our equation. All right. Find the equation of the line for which the gradient and 1 point are given. Again, general equation of a straight line will be given on your formula sheet. Y equals mx plus c. And we know m, which is great. We've got to find c, and we're given information. So when you're given a pair of coordinates, label it straight away x, y. Now let's substitute in these 3 bits of information. I'll just get rid of that. Y is 6. M is -3. X is -1. Only one unknown now. Let's simplify it a bit. Negative times negative is +3. And getting c alone, we'll take 3 from both sides. 6 take 3 is 3. That cancels. We're left with c is 3. And now we know c. So let's write our equation. Y equals mx plus c. Y equals m, which was -3 given in the question, x plus our y-intercept c. So that's looking great. Just check how many more questions. Yep, just one more question. Find the equation of the line given gradient and point. Step 1, write your general form of an equation. Step 2, realize you need to find m and you need to find c in order to write the equation. We have m, that's great. We need to find c. What information are we given? Well, we're given m. We are also given a point. They don't give us information for no reason. Label that point x, y. Now, let's go and substitute in all of those 3 bits of information. So y is 9, m is 5, x is 2, which leaves us with just one unknown. So let's simplify a bit. 5 times 2 is 10 plus c. To get c alone, take 10 from both sides. 9 take 9 is 0, take 1 is -1. 10 take 10 cancels. C is -1. Put a box around it because we need it. Now we can write our equation of our line. Y equals mx plus c. We leave y and x in the equation. Y equals our given m value, 5x, and our c we just found was take 1. So that is our equation of this line. All right. So in the next video, we're finally going to look at some modeling and problem solving with linear equations. So some real world questions, and that's exciting. Okay, I will see you in that video. Have a lovely night.